Hi everybody, Alison here from RPR Hair Care. I just wanted to jump online and just have a chat about one of my favourite products in the salon only range, our No Yellow shampoo, which is called So Cool. Now there's a lot of No Yellow shampoos on the market, and as most of you know, a No Yellow shampoo can be quite drying. Now the difference between So Cool and a lot of other No Yellow shampoos is we have two main active ingredients that are found in the product. We have Kera-Cysteine, which is the protein base, but we also have Davidson Plum, and Davidson Plum is what gives this product its nourishing quality and makes the hair feel amazing. Davidson Plum is also an Australian native. Now, when you're using this product, you can leave it on for 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the toning quality that you would like to achieve in your client's hair. Now, what I do with this product is I send this home with all of my blondes for them to be able to maintain their blonde at home. But the other great thing about this product is it also comes in a leader, which you can use behind the basin in the salon.